G'day guys, this is Carl at All Brands Caravan Services. Today we're currently installing a few accessories on this fold-out camper trailer. As you can see here, I've currently fitted one light here and another light over here. And the customer's just asked us, basically, he wants them in those particular positions. So what we have to do is we have to kind of get in there, have a look what's inside the caravan and see if we can fit them basically. And the best course of action, how to do that and make it look nice. So there's two lights on this side, there's another light on the other side that he wants us to fit, and there's also some flush mounted cigarette sockets as well. So we can do quite a few things here. If you ever need a light or some kind of form of accessory that needs to be fitted to your van, just give us a call and we'll see what we can do for you. Thanks.